Bibi like corn so much. This corn I got from the farm, my parent farm at the province. When I go there, I always collect. Yes, I always bring fruit or vegetable or fresh from my parent farm back. It's so fresh. Ah, Bibi, Mimi, again, Bibi. We have other for you. Okay. Don't eat the leaf, Bibi. Bibi, don't eat the leaf. It's not your food. Here is your food. Bibi, please don't. Bibi. Oh, I don't know why you like it. It's not tasty.
It's sour.
Don't eat, Bibi. Eat your food, please. Cùng tao mạ đuôi mạ lời. Bibi like corn so much. I put apple and corn, but Bibi choose corn first. Bibi tasty, right? Bibi, so yummy. Bibi time to eat corn. Bibi like corn so much. We have corn, we have apple, but Bibi choose corn first. Con nhầm bánh, Bibi nhầm corn.